Can I ask you something? Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
Scooter.
Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take your bath?
Bacon off the couch. You look really handsome, Benny. Can you look at your mama?
Y'all, this is what it's like to have a chihuahua. Mason. Oh my God.
You look stupid. She said, no, you.
Y'all, I can't make this shit up. The dog just pissed on my floor and Blaze.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Oakley, come here.